What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today I want to share a position with you guys that I ended up taking. The ticker is FTAI. I ended up closing today for a very nice profit of about $704. I held on to this for a couple of days. I want to go over why I took the position. I want to go over where I see this thing going within the next couple of days, but really I just want to get across the fact of why I decided to enter this, because a lot of people ask me like, hey, how do you trade? What makes you get into a position? What makes you not get into a position? And I want to explain that here because I feel that even though the bulk of this move has, already occurred, you guys understanding what makes me tick and what I've been doing for the past 8 years trading will definitely help you guys, better off within your trading. And I do think this thing still has some legs to it and can continue to run to 28 bucks, but let's get into it. Before we do though, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. You guys know the deal by now. And check out our Discord. It's completely free. Link is in the description. You guys get access to tons of courses, content, live streams, as well as the best unusual options bot in the game so that you guys can get access to the same exact unusual options material and dark pools that I get access to. It's a $200 a month value completely for free. And you can also upgrade for 20 bucks a month once you're there to get access to all of my trades within the first 17 days of December. We are up 7,332%, guys. Let's take a look at FTAI. Now, I posted this here on 12/8, which was about 9 days ago, and I said, everyone, FTAI, I will not be doing a normal detailed breakdown since anyone with Robinhood is not able to trade this because it's not supported. However, I did get 400 shares to hold for the next couple of weeks. Great flow hitting today out till April, and we're holding support, have bounced at $22, RSI pointing up, MACD is about to cross, looking like a move to 28 will surely happen within the next couple of weeks / months. So you can see this is just a little way that I wrote this up. Normally, if you are part of the group, this is how our trades come out, and you can see we do like a trade quality checklist. I post everything else with this, but for this it was just a quick one because a lot of people within our private mentorship group and a lot of people who have the upgraded roles on our Discord, they usually can trade off of Robinhood. So if you can't trade it off of Robinhood, then I'm probably not going to do a full breakdown, but I did post this. I want to go through the flow that we saw first, because this is very important. The cool thing with Black Box, we can go back to historical. We can take a look at Wednesday the 8th, which is the day that I posted it, and we can look at FTAI. And this, guys, this is the flow that it went off of. So you can see this is all within one day, and the ones I really want to isolate are these $28. So what do we look for when it comes to trading off of flow? If you guys are, part of the group, you already know 3 things: size, time, urgency. So the very first thing is size. An order for 20,000, 20,000, 26,000, 40,000, 40,000. I don't really care. Oh, 1.6 million. Okay, now you've got my attention. All these don't really care. 1.6 million. I'm cool with that. Same exact strike. Now the strike is out till April. So that means that we have a lot of time on these contracts. So you can see a strike, $28. And you can see urgency, ask. The block was above the ask, and the urgency is showing in that most of them are sweeps. Now, when you see a block by itself, that usually is not that big of a deal. But when you see it accompanied by a bunch of sweeps, that's completely fine. That is usually good. And if we go to the Discord and we go to the Tradie Ticks research, you guys can see that if you look up any stock, this is going to end up telling you if they came in on the ask. This just looks different, but this is the one that we have within our group. Now, this is flow. The flow is good here, hits everything, size, time, urgency. Now let's take a look at the actual setup so far. So if we look at December 8th, you have to remember none of this was here. So from here to the right is not here. We had a drop below major support. If I zoom out, you can see this is very major support. We had a drop below support, a consolidation, a good push up, and at the time we were trading right here at about $24. This is when I entered with shares. We pulled back, broke support, which is not a good sign, but I didn't sell because I say this all the time. People, specifically market makers, are here to shake you out. They're here to get you to sell your positions so that they can stop you out below supports so that they can enter, buy it up, and ram the stock back up, into the stratosphere, which tends to happen a lot. We actually saw that happen today on SPY, where look at how quickly SPY has gotten bought up since then. But going back to FTAI, I didn't end up selling my position. We had a really good push up. We had a consolidation. We recovered. And then here on the 15th, we had a big run. I still held. We consolidated yesterday. And then today we took a big move from 24 all the way up to about 25.88. I ended up selling not too long ago. and I took my profits. The RSI was pointing up at the time. The MACD had just crossed on the 8th. This was looking very good. Now, why did I sell? Because to be quite honest, it looks like we could still run another 8%. The main reason I closed this position is because I have a lot of money in the market right now. About $150,000 is probably in the market right now, especially with the puts that I sold on Tesla. So I was very happy with how quick this continued to move. Now, if this does continue to break out, it sucks, whatever. I missed it. But if we do pull back, if we do somehow pull back to 24, 25, 26, I don't, or not 26, 24, 25, I don't mind re-entering this position. But that's why I took it. And that's why I took my profits. And that's what I want to share with you guys. If you really want to chase this, you could still probably ride it from 26 to 28, but I ended up getting out. I hope this video helps. I hope that these little bit of tutorials that we do over here are a good way to teach you guys, how I actually look at a position. As always, guys, thanks for all your support. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out the Discord, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good weekend. Peace.